Good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome on this beautiful day. This awesome day. It's an amazing day. Welcome back to the Moez Show with your host, Moez Fawaz, with another episode of the Moez Show. Today is a beautiful day. Why is a beautiful day? Today, we're gonna review a course, masterclass, called Digital Reseller Masterclass. Digital Reseller Masterclass. It was launched, I believe, 3-4 weeks ago. Like I said, I was busy with vacations and all that. If you watch the previous video, I was busy with vacations and a lot of product creation, my product launch and all that. So I couldn't get a hand on the review process early enough. So my apologies. I apologize. Please forgive me. I missed myself too. Sorry. And so let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm providing with the Reseller Masterclass. Beside the bonuses, I just have to, in a notch, tell you about the course itself. Basically, this course is by Carl Toppings, if I mention his name correctly, Carl Toppings. And it's all 6 courses. It's actually 6 masterclasses. It was a membership site. It was a membership when it launched, but now it's like one price. I believe it's $197 and something like that. So it's 6 courses, 6 master classes, all in one. Okay, with 6 different businesses that you can create. Okay, online businesses that you can create, including mindset, how to focus, like how to focus and get things done. And also interviews. Interviews with experts. 5 interviews with experts. The course is fully loaded. The course like that, I believe, and with other gurus, they sell it for $19.97, like $2,000. Less $3. I don't know what this price, special price. So this, they sell it for $19.97. So basically this alone is $197. It's a big discount. And, he's giving you the same content, the same value of the big course. So basically 6 master classes that you can go through, teaches you 6 ways to make money online, and also 5 interviews with experts that you can go through. So beside that, let me show you the bonuses that I'm going to give you, and also let me show you the sales page. I had an access to the courses itself inside, but I lost the access because, like I said, it's too late. It's a bit later than this video was supposed to be earlier, but it wasn't. So like I said, my apologies. So let's jump in, check out the bonuses. I'll show you the sales page, and I'll do it fast. Okay, let's go. So. First of all, it's going to be picked up by before the course, the masterclass has to be picked up by September 7th, which is, I'm going to give you a little bit of time because unfortunately, like I said, I wasn't ready to go, but I'll give you a few days to pick it up. Digital Master Reseller, Tuesday, September 7th at 11:59. So, Wednesday, September 8th at 12 o'clock, all the bonuses are going to be done. So, you can check it out here. Okay. You can read all that by yourself. I'm just going to show you the bonuses and exactly. Okay, so basically it was 3 payment of 67. I think the 3 payment is gone, and it's I think it went up to 197 or 297 if I believe. So let me check it out. I think it's here. I believe it's 2. Okay, let's check it out. Sorry. Okay, so act now. Okay, so you have to create. I believe it's 197. I believe it's 197, not 297. It's anyway, check it out, and let me check the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is Traffic Authority Primer by the King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. You can check out all that in here. Okay. Bonus number 2, Instagram Authority Domination. I'm giving you everything has to do with traffic. So basically, when you learn how to make money online, you need traffic, and that traffic is coming from my bonuses. I'm giving you all the courses, all the add-ons that you need to bring traffic, because mostly, basically, traffic is what makes you money. Basically, that's it. So there is other ways you can make money. There is the value of the course. There is the value of the membership or the value of the content. but also you need traffic. You need eyes on the offer. You need eyes on the course. You need eyes on the offer that you're offering. Okay. So here I'm giving you all the traffic that you need. You will never need anything else. Just to let you know, you only focus on 1 or 2, and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm giving you here 5 ways to make money online, and the course is gonna give you 6 ways to make money online, and I'm gonna give you 5 ways to make traffic or to get traffic from the internet, from online, from the website, from the World Wide Web. Okay, so bonus number 1, traffic authority primer. Bonus number 2, Instagram authority domination. Bonus number 3, solo ads command authority. It's also solo ads, as you know. Okay. CPA income domination, basically CPA income domination. And the last one is traffic authority primer, which is the same one as the first, but it's not traffic authority primer. It's another one. I just did a mistake and I misplaced a logo. Okay. So when you go and you buy it, when you click on this orange button, secure bonuses, you're gonna arrive to here, and then when you go through the payment, you're gonna arrive to something like that, a web page like that. The product is gonna give you the product name, the vendor name, which is called topping, your email, and your phone number. Sorry, not your phone number, your sales date, and the price, and access your purchase, which is right here, and access your affiliate bonuses, which is right here. Okay, so basically that's all the information you need to know. Here you go, the king of marketing, Moez Fawaz, right here. That's with hair, without hair. Okay, so let's give me my pen first. Okay, 1, 2, green. Okay, let's make it white, I guess. Or black. Let's make it black. Okay, so let's share. Here we go. Okay, let's share with you real business models and marketing method that simply works. Okay, you can check out the video right here. Okay, let's continue. When you need to struggle and stress, all that, the sales page, call topping right here. Okay, you can check them out. Just make sure you read all the things right here. Here. Okay, continue on. Same of the benefit of these businesses. Okay, so let's get me a pen like that. No. Okay, so 100% tried and trusted models, demand product and services, build your business and brand, become industry authority, great networking opportunity, runs from laptop to or computer, little outlay cost, no need for staff, never ending supply product, can scale in different areas. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Digital Reseller Masterclass. So mindset and motivation, proven business models, tools and resources, exclusive community, ongoing support, member updates. All that is included in the course. Okay, so the modules is going to be digital profit, media profit, affiliate marketing profit. Okay, this is important. Okay, so digital media profit, okay, let's make it clear. Digital media profits, affiliate marketing profits, okay, email traffic profits, okay, physical product profits, white label profits, and niche site profits. Okay, that's 6 modules, and the value of the whole thing is $197, I believe. Okay. Call topic, private level labor rights interview series, the 5 interviews I mentioned for the experts. So basically these courses, these interviews, they are a lot of people charging a lot of money of it, like outside. Like I said, the base is like $1,000 to $2,000. So basically this price is a steal for now. Okay. So click here, testimonials. If you're gonna read the testimonials, all yada, all the proof, all testimonials. Value of $497. Bonus mastermind group. So basically he's gonna give you a group to join, and that's a mastermind by itself. Okay, all the brilliant Carl Topping. You can read all his documentary here. Okay, so what you're gonna get again? Let's see what you're gonna get. Oh, here we go. Okay, so mindset motivation, reseller business model, member training request, private label rights, tools and resources, exclusive community, member updates and support. Okay, that's it. That's how much it's worth. That's it. So you can check out all these testimonials all here. That's it. So here, to continue, just click on this. You can go here. Let's sign in myself and let's get access to the price. I'll show you the price. Not for me, not to be mistaken. Check your email for access. Okay, so I have to check the email. Okay, so let's check the email. Let's go to my Google. Hold on with me. Okay, let's see. A bit slow. I wanted to try to get it under 10 minutes, the video, but I couldn't. Now we're going into the 11 minutes. Patience. Call topic. Okay. Internet slow. Okay, so create your free account. I believe. Okay, let's go here. Here we go. Okay, so create your free account. So I guess you have to create your free account. Click first to complete your registration. You can register. Let's go register. Okay, email. Go send the message. Press click. Okay, so username, repeat. That's all. It's actually, you have to create an account, which I already did before and I don't want to do it again. So just basically these are the steps that you have to do to arrive to the price and to the Digital Reseller Masterclass course. Okay, so beside that I just showed you everything. Just make sure that you go through the course, go through the bonuses, the bonus page before September 7th, and to grab the Digital Reseller Masterclass before that date. And beside that, thank you very much. Hold on. There we go. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being with the Moez Show, with your host, Moez Fawaz. And again, be good, be awesome, be tremendous, be the best version of your life today and every other day. And don't forget to sign up and subscribe and like that page, like that video, if you like it, if you like my bald head. And beside that, yeah, don't forget to pick it up. Don't forget the orange button. You click it, you arrive to the sales page as I showed you in the video. And that's it. Thank you very much. Have yourself a good day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a tremendous day. I'll see you soon. Be good. Peace.